morning, students. Today we will learn a new topic, constant relation in the laws of motion. Okay, constant relation is a topic which comes in the laws of motion. Basically, why we are studying the constant relation? What is the need of studying the constant relation? Because many of times when we are solving a problem, some condition occur when we are not supposed to find the acceleration of system or particle. So basically, constant relation is of two types: visible relation and visible relation, calculation relation. So first of all, one by one we will study what is visible relation, what is calculation relation. Visible relation means what? Which you can which is can be visible, like you can see and tell without solving uh, without solving mathematically. You can tell me the acceleration is a and acceleration is a2. You can easily tell without solving the acceleration. So visible relation states that magnitude of acceleration or the magnitude of velocity of two bodies are same. Clear? But these are the definition of visible relation can be valid only when the following conditions are valid. What are the conditions in which you can say visible relation are valid? First condition is if both bodies are connected by the same string. Means like both bodies are connected by the same string. Second condition, pulley over which string passes through should be fixed. Bodies move along a string. For example, this is the pulley. Okay, this is the pulley, and over which a string is passed. This is a string which is passed over a pulley, and this pulley is fixed. This pulley should be fixed. Clear? Two blocks are at the ends of a string, and remember, this is the mass 1 m1, this is mass m2. Clear? So pulley is fixed, body move along a string is same. Clear? The string is same. You can see that same string through which mass m1 is attached, to same string mass m2 is attached. Clear? So both bodies are connected by the same string. Both bodies are connected by the same string. First condition is valid. Pulley over which the string passes should be fixed. So this is a pulley. This is a pulley which is fixed, over which the string is passed. Clear? Bodies move along a string. For example, if this block comes down, then this block will move upwards with some acceleration. Clear? So bodies are moving along a string. For example, this body is moving along this string, this body is moving along this string. So visible relations are valid here. Visible relations are valid, which means magnitude of acceleration of two bodies are same. Means acceleration of this block is same, a. Acceleration of this block is also a. Acceleration of this block is also a. Clear? So this is the constant relation through which we can say that bodies having the same condition, like if the bodies are following the comes under the same condition, like both bodies are connected by the same string, pulley over which the string passes should be fixed, bodies move along a string. So if these three conditions are valid, then you can say the acceleration of these two blocks are same. I am saying acceleration magnitude, not direction. Direction of this is upwards, this direction of this is downward direction, but the magnitude is same. A. For example, it is 2 meter per second square. This is also 2 meter per second square. Thanks.